Welcome to MonroeMotors.com. Here we have a 1983 Pontiac Firebird TransAm in silver with gray cloth interior. So I'm just going to start over here at the back for you and let you have a look. So nice sized trunk. The carpet flooring is in really good shape for the age there, as you can see. We've got an extra hood strut down here to hold up the rear tailgate, which is currently holding, but there is an extra one there for you. If you look underneath here, you can see the headliner is in great shape. There's no sagging, which is a common issue with any car actually with age. So that's great to see that it's still holding up. The panels look like they're in good shape. Let you have a look all around here. So overall really good condition. And if we look at the frame, nice and clean. There is one spot which I'll show you over here. Has a little tiny bit of rust. I think that's the only spot on the car that we can see. Looks like someone's scraped it off and put some paint on, so you could do the same there as well. So the rest of it is clean, as you can see, all the way up. So I'll just close the trunk. Let's have a look there first, and let's close this up. So it's got the nice black spoiler. It's got the louvers on the lights on the rear, which look great. Underneath, we've got dual exhaust. Let you have a look from below. Very clean car. So this is the original paint that's on the car. There's a little blemish here and a little spot here. So just want to point everything out for you, make it easy for you to make a good decision. Here's your rear wheel, so no curb rash, no issues. Nice Michelin tires on the rear, painted rotors, painted calipers behind the wheel. Looks great. So here we are at the passenger side. I'll just scan this so you can see the frame here. Looks great, even in the seams there. Very good condition. Here's your door. So you've got manual locks, manual window cranks. It's got carpeting on the door with the two-tone and the gray there as well. And then on the roof, I'll let you have a look here. So no rust along the seam. No issues, looks great. And let's have a look here in the back seat. So there's a little flip up here, and there's the rear seats. And there's the carpet, looks great. Awesome. And as I get in, just have a look in the door frame, nice and clean. And let's see, so this has a little pocket here for putting your ownership. It's got some radio controls over here as well, or actually that's a clock, and it's got an alarm built into it as well. And then here's your automatic shifter. So this was previously a manual car and it was converted to an automatic. So this plate was put on to indicate what gear it's in, and then there's your shifter there. So that looks good. And then here's the dash. Dash is in great shape, no cracking, no issues up there. Looks good. So I'll just hop out and we'll close this door up. Let you have a look. Looks great. So this fender here has been replaced. So it is not original, but it does look great. It's not bondoed. It's not been stuck together. It is a whole fender that was put on and painted. But as you can see from all angles, it looks good. You can't really tell. But we do want to share that with you. Up here, I'll let you just have a look along here. Look how clean it is. Everything's in great shape. Along the windshield, looks good. There's your nice black mirror and your TransAm logo. And then here's your front wheel, so no curb rash, no issues. On the front, it's got Firestone tires, painted rotors, painted calipers. So it looks good. Here we are under the hood. So this has the 5-liter, 305 cubic inch engine, V8, paired to a 4-speed automatic transmission. The automatic transmission was rebuilt by the previous owner, so it's running nice, shifts well, and as you can see, it's very clean under here. Looks great. So we'll just close the hood here, have a look at the front. So there's the front of the car, in really good shape. Looks like there was a repair that was done here. You can't really tell from further away, but we want to share everything with you. On the hood here, you can see there's a couple little chips here that we've touched up. And there is a little mark here on the hood as well. And what's this? There's one there too. So minor little dents, but we do want to share them with you. They'll probably magnify, look greater than they are in person, but here's a shot from further away to see. You know, you can't really see them unless you're looking for them, but I know they're there, so I want to share that with you. Here we are on the driver's side. So again, we've got Firestone tires on the front, painted rotors, painted calipers, and no curb rash on the wheels. There's your TransAm symbol there. And I'll just go to the back wheel, do the same so you can see. And on the rears, again, we've got Michelin Defenders, painted rotors, painted calipers. And there's your locking gas door. So everything looks great. And on the driver's side, there's your mirror control. Again, manual locks, manual crank windows. And we'll just show you from underneath. So you can see solid floorboards. The exhaust is not rotted. It's in great shape. Looks new. So just so you have a shot of underneath. And just hop in here, have a look in the door frame, nice and clean. And let's get in and fire this one up. All right, so we'll pump the gas once. There it is, fires up right away. Got the fan on, I'll turn the fan off. As you can see, it works. Radio goes on, but we don't have great signal in here, but there's the power. Well, we do get something, so there you go, radio works. And what do we got up here? Ashtray and cigarette lighter, so that's there. Perfect. And again, there's your auto shifter, there's your handbrake. On the clock, we've got 111,261 kilometers. Wants me to fasten my seatbelt. Other than that, we've got headlights, so the mechanical lights do work. And I'll just take the choke off, rev it up a bit. Good sounding car. And here's the headliner from inside. So it's in really good shape again. And I'll just hop out with it running so you can have a listen. There's the headlights up. Looks great. Sounds great. It's got a good shine to it. Like I said, we polished it, so it does look really good. And here's the chuck from the rear. Nice chuck to it. And there you have it, folks. 1983 Pontiac TransAm Firebird in silver, here and available at MonroeMotors.com. Come on down and have a look at this one for yourself. Look forward to seeing you real soon.